It is loud out here. Welcome back to another episode of Oregon Motorcycle. Today in this episode, we're going to show you guys how to plug a rear tire. So I'll get away from that compressor for a minute so you guys can hear me better. So we're cruising out here out of Ripplebrook. We had a crazy adventure today, and we are at the end of the day. We're all beat to hell. We're tired. We had a crazy day today. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, check it out. It's up here. There's no link here. It'll be there soon. But yeah, just an epic day. So if you guys are new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. The little red box down here helps me out. I'm trying to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So, but yeah, I hope you guys can hear me clearly. So what we're doing is we're airing the tire back up, and we got to find the hole first, and then we're going to attempt to plug it if it's a puncture, which most likely it is, and we're going to show you guys how we do that. But the first thing you got to do is find the hole. And so this is on the KTM 390. It's brand new. It's only got a couple hundred miles on it, so you must have picked up something, or something rather, I don't know. So can you hear it? Just keep going, dude. Huh? I was gonna say pump it up hard. Oh, I can hear it. Yeah, totally hear it. Want me to roll it backwards or forwards?
Oh, it's right here.
We're losing air. Right there. See that?
Oh, in the center there?
Yeah. See it?
What? All right. The new tire, right?
No, but I'll get you a new plug. That's about how much revenue I'll make off this. It was rad.
Yeah, that's where it is.
Okay, so what he's doing here is he's gonna ream the hole out with his reamer. He's got a little, this is a plug kit, you guys. Everybody should carry this along with the compressor and or CO2 cartridges. He's got a CO2 in here too. I don't know if...
CO2.
Yeah.
Plugs. I've already had to use it once.
Yeah, we're not gonna use the CO2 because I have the compressor there. I carry a compressor, he carries CO2.
It's got extra.
They both have their advantages and disadvantages. But it's good, like if your buddy has a compressor, then you should carry CO2 and vice versa. So basically he's just gonna ream this out here. And basically we're trying to make the hole a little bigger, and we're cleaning it out, and we're pushing the piece that punctured it out. And then we're gonna put the plug in it. We're gonna show you guys how to put the plug in right now. So sometimes if the hole is small, you really got to ream it out, because sometimes it's a pain in the butt to get these in.
There's nothing even in there. It was just, that's where the hole was.
A little piece of metal or something?
Yeah, no idea. Just I was coming down here, and then I could hear the tires getting super loud.
Oh.
And I slowed down very gradually, took the turn super slow to get in here, and just pulled off.
So you're pushing the plug through the eye of this T-handled tool. You're gonna get the plug about halfway through.
If I can get it in there.
Sometimes they're stubborn.
Yeah. This thing has glue on it.
But you don't put extra glue. So some kits will come with the extra tube of glue, and you just like spread glue all over the plug. But this particular kit doesn't require the glue.
Hold it. And then this is the fun part. By the fun part, I mean this part sucks.
Yeah. It's after you do a couple, it's not that bad.
You want to do it?
Well, you gonna film?
I guess this one doesn't have resin.
So he's gonna put pressure back in the tire, guys, so it will be easier to push the plug into it. And this is the advantage of having a compressor instead of the CO2 cartridges. But sometimes compressors break, and then you don't have jack crap. Some people carry compressors and hand pumps, which I guess is ultimately the best way to do it.
I know.
You need to go about Give it a good twist. Super yank.
Oh,
Fail. We get to do it again. So we're gonna try to bore it out a little bit more because that was a pain in the butt to push in. It seemed like.
Yeah.
It seems bored out pretty good. It's just in a hard spot. It's right in this
Yeah, that's right in that.
crevice. There you go.
Let me compress.
Yeah. Let's give that a shot. Come on. Ah, damn it. Almost got it. Got it. All right. How many times should I twist it?
I just twist it a couple times. Yeah, and then yank it. Give it a good yank. Nope. I mean, see how you're twisting the plug now? See how it's twisting
Yeah.
the plug? Don't twist it. Just
Okay.
yank that bitch out. Nice. Got it. There it is, folks. So we got this. Got this little end sticking out here. Take a pocket knife and shave it off and air it back up, and we're good to go. And that's how you repair a tire on the side of a highway like we are. It's been so gosh dang noisy. Dude. All right. He looks tired over there. We're all tired. What a day. Oh my gosh, what a day. Till next time, folks. Oregon motorcycle.